Meaning of harshly.
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 Harshly. Harshly is an adverb that describes an action done with severity, and without compassion. It implies a negative tone or attitude towards the person or thing being acted upon. The results of being treated harshly are often detrimental to one's psychological and emotional well-being. Examples of harsh treatment include verbal abuse, physical punishment, and unforgiving criticism. Such behavior can cause lasting damage to a person, leading to self-esteem issues, anxiety, depression, and even trauma. Therefore, it is essential to treat others with kindness and respect, rather than resorting to harshness.